In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Surveymonkey to create a QR code for your surveys. This is a great way to easily distribute your surveys by allowing participants to scan a code rather than navigating to a URL or receiving a survey via email. QR codes are particularly useful in events or locations where digital distribution might not be feasible. Let's get started by heading to Surveymonkey's homepage. Once there, navigate to the Projects section. This is where you'll find all your active and past surveys, as well as the tools needed to manage them. Surveymonkey's homepage is designed for easy navigation, with all your projects organized and accessible with just a few clicks. Next, identify the survey you are working on and wish to publish via a QR code. Click on this survey to open it. In this step, it's vital to ensure the survey is fully set up and ready for participants, as once it's published, you want to capture useful and actionable data. Make sure that all questions are clear and the survey logic is functioning as intended. Once you have your survey open, look for the Collect Responses option and click on it. This option is crucial as it provides various methods to gather participant responses, be it through email, social media, or in our focus case, a QR code. Surveymonkey makes collecting responses straightforward, giving you multiple avenues to reach your audience effectively. After selecting Collect Responses, you will see different collection methods. Look for the option labeled Web Link 1 and click on it. This is an important step that will lead us closer to generating our QR code. Although Surveymonkey offers multiple links for use, selecting Web Link 1 helps in organizing your survey and keeping track of how responses are being collected. And now that you're in the correct section, click on the Download QR Code option. By doing so, Surveymonkey will generate a unique QR code linked directly to your survey. Ensure you save this QR code in an easily accessible location on your device. You can later print it, add it to printed materials, or display it digitally to allow users easy access to your survey. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you're now equipped to efficiently use QR codes to distribute your surveys. This method not only makes your surveys easily accessible, but also streamlines the collection process, enhancing your survey's reach and visibility. Don't forget to regularly check back on Surveymonkey to view responses and analyze your data to gain valuable insights. Thanks for tuning in, and happy surveying.